Hello, welcome to my channel. This is good tutor, and what I do, I teach technical drawing, and I also solve technical drawing problems here. So right now, what I want to do is to show you how you can divide a given line into unequal part, and that is what I've written here. We are going to divide a line AB 120 millimeters into this given divisions. We are going to divide into 1/2, that is half, and 1/3, and 1/4, and 1/5, and 1/6. I believe you know what I'm saying. We are dividing to half, and we are dividing to 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, and 1/6. So a line 120 millimeters, that is into unequal part. And I've done the calculation here that if line AB is 120, so we are going to divide into 60 millimeters, into 40 millimeters, 30 millimeters, 24 millimeters, and 20 millimeters based on the given divisions here. So let's look at how that can be done. So the first thing to do is to draw a horizontal line like this. So on this horizontal line, I'm going to take a measurement of 120 millimeters. So this is the starting point, and then this is 120. So here we have point. This is end A here, and this is end B. So I'm going to make this line, I'm going to make it a thick line. So line AB, I'll make it a thick line like this. Okay, so this line is 120 millimeters. So the next thing that we are going to do is to make this a rectangle. So I will draw a vertical line here. So I want the okay. So all right. So from here to here. Okay. So you can make the width any size that you want. You can make it any size that you want. So okay. All right. Um, so I made it a rectangle. So this is C, and this is D. So the next thing to do here is that you draw a diagonal. So join AC together like this, and you join BC together. Join the diagonals together. Okay. Okay. So these diagonals, they intersect at O. So this is O here. So as they intersect at O, so if I draw a vertical line from O down here, from O down to AB, so this is E. So this AE is 60 millimeters. If I take the measurement, so just take the measurement. So if you look at this is what this is 60 millimeters. So which is half of 120. So we have gotten that. So we have gotten the half. So the next thing that we are going to do is that from E to get AF, which is 40 millimeters, when we divide 120 by 1/3, that is 1/3. So we have, if I join this together, we join DE together with a line like this. Join DE. So when you join DE together, so DE, it intersect, line DE intersect AC at this point. That intersect AC at this point. So as intersect it at this point, I will draw a vertical line from this point. Draw a vertical line down here onto AB. So this is point F on AB. So if you look at the distance, so we have that AF is 40 millimeters. Take the measurement from A to F is 40 millimeters, as you can see here. So the next thing I'm going to do to get AG, which is 30 millimeters, when we divide 120 by 1/4. So if I join this together, so I will draw line DF. So it intersects AC at this point. So I will draw a vertical line. down here. So this is G. So line AG, I take the measurement, it should be 30 millimeters. As we have done the calculation, this is 30 millimeters. So the next is that I want to get line AH, which is 24 millimeters when we divide 120 by 1/5. So what I need to do is to draw a line DG like this. So line DG intersect AC at this point. So the next thing I'm going to do is to draw a vertical line from here down. So this is H. So if you take the measurement, so AH should be 24 millimeters. If I take the measurement, so this is it, 24 millimeters. 24 millimeters. So the next is we have to get AI, which is 20 millimeters. So we divide 120 by 1/6. So what you need to do is to join DH. So join DH like this. So DH, it intersects line AC at this point. So draw a diagonal from here. Sorry, draw a vertical line from here. So draw a vertical line. So here we have what we have. This is I. So if you take a measurement of AI, should give us 20 millimeters. So this is it. It gives us 20 millimeters. So this is how you can divide a given line into unequal parts as we are given here. It's as simple as I've shown it here. All you need to do is to practice. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. Keep on practicing and God bless you.